Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Yesterday, we read about the topic a and the. That is, how to use the articles a and the. Now, today we will revise it once again and we will practice some exercises from your notebook. This is a picture of a tree. You know, if you look outside the window of your house, there are so many trees. We were talking about a tree. Now, since there are so many trees around us, tree is a common word. And since it is starting with a consonant sound, so what we will use? A tree. Next, this is the picture of an umbrella. This is my umbrella. I know you all must be having your own umbrella, which you use during rainy season to protect yourself from rain. Since this is the month of August and it is rainy season, nowadays you all must be using it. Now, since umbrella is a common word and it is starting with a vowel sound, so what we will use? An umbrella. Next is the picture of a moon. Moon is only one of its kind. The things that are only one of their kind, we use the before them. For example, the moon. As you know, moon is the only satellite of Earth. So, that's why moon is unique. Now, since there is only one moon, so what we will use? The moon. I hope you all must have understood the topic of a and the. Now, we will practice some exercises from your book. Use a, an or the to fill in the blanks. First, I got dash umbrella. Now, since umbrella is starting with a vowel sound, so what we will write? An. I got an umbrella. Dash umbrella is big. Now, since we have already talked about it, we have already talked about umbrella in this sentence that I got an umbrella. Again we are talking about umbrella. So in that case we will use the. The umbrella is big. The is used before a naming word when we have already talked about it. Second, dash bus comes down the road. Bus is a naming word starting with consonant sound. So what we will use? A. Very good. A bus comes down the road. Dash girl is waiting at the bus stop. Now in this sentence we are talking about girl. Now first time we are talking about the girl. In the first sentence we were talking about the bus, not about the girl. So we will use a girl because first time we are talking about the girl and it is starting with the consonant sound. So we will use a. Dash girl gets into the dash bus. Now again we are talking about the girl which we have already talked before. A girl is waiting in that bus stop. Now the girl gets into the dash bus. About bus we have already talked, so we will use the. The girl gets into the bus. The is used before a naming word when we have already talked about it. Third, We live on dash earth. Earth is the only one of its kind. So we'll use the. We live on the earth. Fourth, Hari gives dash rose to his mother. Now, rose is a naming word starting with consonant sound. So what we will use? A. Hari gives a rose to his mother. Dash rose is red. Now, we have already talked about rose, so we will use the. The rose is red. Fifth, dash rabbit found a carrot. Rabbit is starting with consonant sound, so we'll use a. A rabbit found a carrot. Dash carrot is fresh. We have already talked about the carrot, so what we will use? The. The carrot is fresh. Sixth, Mary has dash little lamp. Mary has dash little lamp. A little lamp, because it is starting with consonant sound. Dash lamp goes with her. Now, we have already talked about the lamp, so we will use the. Next, dash sun rises every morning. Sun is the only one of its kind, so we will use the. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. An ant, a butterfly, a goat, an aeroplane, a tree, an umbrella, dash boy, a boy, dash ink pot, an ink pot, dash Ganga, the Ganga, dash hut, a hut, dash onion, an onion, dash Indian Ocean, the Indian Ocean, dash Red Sea, the Red Sea.